Computer networking and telecommunications. Simply, communication is the process of sharing ideas, messages or information with each other. The term communication is derived from the word communicate, which means to share. Data communication is the way of sharing a virtual message. A conversation between two or many more people is an example of communication. Data communications refer to the sharing of a virtual message with the help of emails, messengers, phone calls, and other various electronic devices. Components of data communication. A data communication system has the following components. Message or data, it is the information or data to be communicated. It can consist of text, numbers, pictures, sound, video or any combination of these. Communication of data means a message or data will be transmitted from one device and will be received in the destination or target device. The component in a data communication network is data or message. Sender. The computer or device that is used for sending data is called sender, source, or transmitter. A datum has to be sent to a destination from a source. The device that sends data to the destination or target is the sender. It can be a computer, cell phone, video camera and so on. Receiver. The device that receives data is called the receiver. It is the device or computer that receives the message. The destination of a transmitted data is the receiver that will receive the data. The device that receives the data that was sent by the sender is the receiver. A receiver can be a computer, a cell phone, a video camera, and so on. Transmission medium, it is the channel or physical path through which the message is carried from the sender to the receiver. The medium can be wired like twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, or wireless like laser, radio waves, and microwaves. Protocol. It is a set of rules that govern the communication between the devices. This is like an arrangement between the two devices to successfully communicate with each other. Data transmission mode. Transmission mode means transferring data between two devices. It is also known as a communication mode. The three modes of data transmission are simplex, half-duplex and full duplex. They are explained below. Transmission mode. Simplex mode. Half-duplex mode. Full duplex mode. Transmission media. The transmission media is also known as a communication channel. In data communication terminology, a transmission medium is a physical path between the transmitter and the receiver. It is the channel through which data are sent from one place to another. Transmission media is a pathway that carries the information from the sender to the receiver. We use different types of cables or waves to transmit data. Transmission media is broadly classified into two types. Let's observe the given chart and explain the various communication channels. Guided media. Guided media is also called bounded media or wire media. In this communication media, data travel through the wire instead of a wave. These transmission media are the cables that are tangible or have physical existence and are limited by physical geography. Popular bound transmission media in use are twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optical cable. Each of them has its own characteristics like transmission speed, the effect of noise, physical appearance, cost, etc. Elements of computer network. There are various hardware and software elements used to create a networking mechanism which we are going to discuss below. NIC, Network Interface Card. Connectors. Hub. Switches. Router. Modem. The modem stands for modulation and demodulation. It connects the computer to the internet over the existing telephone line. A modem is not integrated with the computer motherboard. It is a separate part of the PC slot found on the motherboard. Repeater. Gateway. Bridge. Software elements. Network Operating System, NOS. An operating system that enables a machine to participate in the network is called a networking operating system. Network operating systems are designed for client computers and provide functions. There is a difference between network operating systems and standalone operating systems. Linux, Unix, Linux, Windows 2000 Server, Windows XP. Windows 7, Windows 8, OS/2, etc. Types of computer network. Local area network, LAN. Metro area network, MAN. Wide area network, WAN. Client, server network. Peer-to-peer network. Centralized network. Services of Internet. Search engine. Search engines are websites that allow users to search information based on keywords or a combination of keywords. Search engines are used to locate websites and information. To search the information, users need to enter the desired search term into the search field. After that, the search engine looks through its index for relevant websites and displays them in the form of a list. www.google.com, www.yahoo.com, www.bing.com, www.ask.com, etc. are some examples of search engines. Web browser. A browser is software that is used to access the Internet to view web pages. It allows us to visit websites and do the various activities within them. The most common web browser software is Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google's Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple's Safari, and Opera. The availability of a browser depends on the operating system that your computer system has used. Downloading. The process of receiving information at your computer from another computer through a network is called downloading. This is the process of transferring a copy of a file from a remote computer to the requesting, local, computer. It is just the reverse of uploading. Each time when you visit a web page, your computer or mobile device must download the HTML, CSS, images, and any other relevant data in order to display the page in your web browser. Uploading. The process of transferring the information from your computer to another computer through a network is called uploading. This is the process of transferring a copy of a file from a local computer to the requesting computer. The most common method of uploading a file to another computer or server is by using FTP, File Transfer Protocol. If you are uploading a file to another site, you must have permission to access the site and the directory where the file is to be